Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing and also known as Lady B. Today I will show you guys how to edit your first video on Capcut as a beginner. You click on Capcut and click on new video. Some will show new project. Then you scroll down to select the video you want to edit rather. You click on the video. So you play the video first to see where you want to cut out. You pause where you reach where you want to cut out. You pause. You click on edit. Then you click on split. You click on the part that you don't want. You click on the video, the part that you don't want. You click on delete. So let's play the video again and see where we don't want. We cut it out, so we can cut it out.
And turn on your notification bell so you will never miss any of the video.
So you pause. You click on edit again. Then you click on split. You click on edit. Click on delete. You delete the part that you don't want. That's all. Our video is ready. Then if you don't like this CapCut logo, you click on it, then you delete it. So that's the end of today's tutorial. And your first CapCut edit is ready. If this helped you, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell for more easy editing tutorial. See you in the next class. Yes, class teacher Lady B is signing out. Bye.